And welcome back, and I'd like to welcome a couple guests today from BodyFlex Sports. We have Yvonne and Nico here today, and they're going to talk about, well, something that you can get and bring into your own home to stay fit, have fun, and do it very economically and easily. So welcome, both of you.
Thank you so much
for having me. Nice to see you.
Yeah.
First, tell us about the company. You are located locally up in Walnut. Am I right? Correct?
Yeah. We're right here in Southern California. Our company is headquartered right here in California, 35 years now.
Wow.
Yeah. We've been making fitness equipment, so I like to say that we're the experts in this field.
Yeah, you have been around a long time. I didn't realize that. I mean, I recognized the name right away when I heard you folks were going to be on, something that I've heard about, but I didn't realize that, you know, where you were located or anything like that. Mm-hmm. So that's fantastic.
Yeah. And we know that there are a lot of companies out there. Mm-hmm. A lot of them like to focus on software.
Right.
Technology that maybe measures your metrics. Mm-hmm. What we wanted to focus on is investing in where it matters. So that's the physical hardware. How can we make, design, and bring customers a product into their home that's going to be effective and great for the body?
Right, and this is the product you brought with us today. This one's called the Body Power?
The Body Power Step Track.
Okay, so tell us about this, and I know there's some unique features here, right?
Yeah. Nico, did you want to talk about the 2-in-1
Yeah,
feature?
so tell us about that.
Absolutely, yes. So the unique piece about this the step track is that it has the curved crank, and the curved crank here that you may notice, it really keeps it flowing, so it flows nicer than most average ellipticals machines that you might have used before, where they kind of like, it's kind of hard to get over the hill. This one's smooth, it's easy.
So it acts almost like a flywheel in a sense.
Exactly.
Right?
Yeah.
You know, it's where flywheel's job is to bring momentum in.
That's right, Ken.
Okay.
So we do have a flywheel that's housed inside of the system. A lot of exercise equipments do have that. Where this product, the Body Power Step Track, is special, we have this curved crank here. Literally, it's a curved crank.
Right.
And the geometry behind that is it offers
we'll show it right there.
Great.
Yeah.
It offers a really smooth workout, as Nico was mentioning. And we wanted to make this compact, space-saving. So there are 2-in-1 features in it. And Nico is the one who actually helped us develop a 12-minute guided workout that's available.
Oh, nice. Yes. That's really good.
Yes.
And, you know, I'll just say right away, it was easy for you to bring this in here. You had a small little dolly and brought it in, and here we are. So, Nico, you know, you talk about, you know, the 12-minute workout, which is fantastic. Because a lot of people, let's face it, don't want to invest 2 hours in working out every day, although we have people here who a lot of them are retired, you know, they may have a little more time than others, but still, I think you get more satisfaction of, and I think it motivates you more to do something like this and get up and exercise when you know you can do like at a 12-minute intervals and, you know, get that going.
Yeah.
Right. It's really a challenging workout too. And I've worked with many of my clients that at the gym, and specifically, the unique thing about the workout is that over the many years of using equipment like this or pieces like this, ellipticals, but specifically this one, is that it has so many abilities or ways of using it. So we've added forward movement, backward movement, which engages the front to the back, hamstrings, and as well as added a unique kind of piece to it is squats in it as well. So you're really engaging the glutes, strengthening the back, strengthening the core, and the beauty of both inside and outside handlebars is that you can use more for chest and arms, so you can really get a full body workout.
So this has a couple different features like that. You get the full body workout. I think you were telling me, Yvonne, before we came on, this has a little bit of a step track to it, you know, where you're combining that as well.
Right, so it's a 2-in-1 motion. Instead of having 2 separate equipments, you're getting the benefits of 2 machines in 1 footprint.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now, let's talk about the apparatus itself as far as the top here. You do have a readout here, and my first question is, does this plug in? I don't see a plug in here, or is it battery operated?
It is battery operated,
okay.
And we do have here the tablet holder or media. So you could put a magazine, you could put your cell phone here, watch the 12-minute guided video, and it's really easy to read. The display is very large, the numbers are very simple. The buttons are easy to maneuver as well. And if you want to either increase the workout intensity or you want to decrease it for a more gentle workout, exactly.
It's right there, so very easy to do.
Exactly. Yes.
Now, as far as somebody wanting to get this, I know you are, you're located locally. You can go online, bodyflexsports.com. You can find all that very easily.
Yeah.
But you're also, you're talking about maybe partnering with Adapt to It.
Yeah,
right?
that's something we're looking to do with them.
Yeah.
Right now, this is available on our website, bodyflexsports.com. We do have a special promotion code for Laguna Woods community.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Laguna 45, and you'll get a $45 discount.
Oh, very good.
Yeah.
Laguna 45.
Laguna 45. Now, we're going to get you on this. You're going to show us.
I'm
But the one
He's
thing,
ready.
the one thing I think we should mention here is this is very affordable. I mean, I was kind of surprised at the low cost of this.
Yeah.
Because these can run. I think this one's what, about $400. Am I
It's
right?
less than that, yeah. It's at about $389.
And then you get the $45 off.
Yep.
And of course, these, I've seen them as much as $3,000 or $4,000. This type of a system here. So I want to ask, at that really great price, is it, is it something that's going to last for a while and well made?
Absolutely.
And, okay.
Ken, that's a great question. Yeah.
Sometimes you see something really low cost and you're thinking, well,
Right.
what's the catch here?
Well, part of the 35 years of our company history, why we've been able to stay in business so long is we bring truly remarkable products at affordable and accessible prices.
Yeah.
That's always been the goal when we're designing and engineering the products. The materials we use, they go through serious QC procedures. So this product is meant to last, it's meant to be safe, and it's meant to be affordable.
All right, Nico?
Thank
Why
you.
don't we get you on there?
Oh, you can tell I'm excited. Huh?
Yes, you are, yeah.
Yes.
And as you said, if you can put a tablet on there, whatever you want, and then go to the website. I guess you get that 12-minute workout.
Yes.
So this is one of the ways that you can use it without using the arms.
Yep, so he's got his hands on the fixed handlebars. That'll offer a more stable feel to the workout.
Right.
And then Nico, if you'd like, you can start moving to the full action handlebars on the outsides.
Okay.
So
Right.
now he's engaging upper body with the low body. And you see how quiet it is?
Yeah, it's very quiet.
Barely any sound. Perfect for home use.
Now, one thing I want to ask about this before I forget, this is all propelled by Nico, or is there also a motor in this as well, or is it strictly?
It's all you.
It's all you, okay.
It's you and machine.
Okay.
Yeah.
And so you're doing the squats here? Yeah?
Yeah, it's my favorite.
Yeah.
What I really love is anytime that I ever have like any knee issues or things like that, from my corrective exercise, NASM and yoga certifications, really using a machine like this to re-stabilize my knees.
Right.
Is huge. So by activating the quads here and the glutes, and I'm focusing on my knees. If my knees are kind of inward, then that's an issue. So I just want to bring my knees out, and that'll help engage anterior tibialis, so the front shin muscle will help support the knee and help realign everything.
And what is there is a readout there. Is that just showing your reps on there? Is that
shows-
counting the?
I got
okay.
calories
that's-
coming
Since
up.
it's not motorized, you're not turning anything on or anything
Right.
like that. Okay.
It's battery operated.
Then it goes to level. So it's from 1.5, so it shows me where I'm at. Then
So
it
we
goes
have
to
the
heart rate.
heart rate. It'll show the heart rate. It'll show you
Oh,
calories
great.
burned. It'll show you
75.
how fast you're going, and then the duration of the workout that you've been on.
Very good.
Yeah, and the time there too.
Yes.
Yeah, I like that.
Nice.
And you said how easy? Can I try it?
Please.
All right,
yeah.
I'm gonna try
Nico
this.
can't have all the fun.
All right. So I just get on it like this,
Exactly.
Awesome.
and forward or
Forward you
backwards?
go, or backward.
Okay.
As well, yeah.
Wow.
You got it.
Very smooth. Now I'm going to move the arms.
Nice.
Yeah, I like
got
that
it.
a lot.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you were saying going backwards, right?
So
Is
going.
more- okay.
So yeah, that's going to activate more of the front shin. So as you're going.
Yeah.
And the hamstrings specifically.
Yeah, you can really feel it.
Yeah.
And so this, the dial here is where you're going to make things a little bit harder or a little bit easier.
More resistance, and don't be afraid to use that too. Kind of go up to a higher level, see
Okay.
what you can, because that's really going to contract the muscles and get that blood pumping.
So this is, I guess I put it on a higher level.
Yes.
here. But I can tell you though, for me anyway, it becomes a little bit smoother doing this. I feel myself not going as fast, but really feeling it a little bit more.
Yeah.
Wow.
More grounded, right?
Yeah. I need exercise. That is really good. Very stable. Definitely very stable, and yet portable, right? Because you got wheels in the front.
Exactly. We've got wheels in the front. We call them transport wheels. So if you're having guests over, you can simply flip it to the
I
front.
can feel it.
Roll it. Yeah, you can feel it in
You
the
really
body,
can.
right?
Yeah.
We also have this neat little bar right here in the design that's
Okay.
built in so that you can lift it safely as well.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Now, if somebody wants to order this, you go online and go ahead and do that however you want. You can call or order it, and you guys bring that out? How do they get it, or is it shipped out?
It'll get shipped out, so it'll go
Okay.
straight to the door. And we even have an assembly video already
Okay.
designed to help move customers through the assembly
Is
process.
it pretty easy to assemble?
It is. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
I mean, I can see right away these come off, but that's very easy.
Yeah, the handlebars
do.
come off. Most of it is actually already pre-assembled. So that flywheel housing, Ken, that you were mentioning, along with the curve crank, already pre-assembled.
Okay, very good. Yeah, this is very nice, very smooth, and you really, for the price, nowadays that is really economical.
Yeah.
I mean, it seriously is, and with all the 35 years of experience, I'm a little winded here. I need exercise.
Oh, no, that's good. That's
yeah.
good. Get the blood moving.
No, but it was very
It's
easy to
very
do. I
skinny.
like the fact you got a holder here. People can put their phone or tablet in, and then the workout you see online. Am I right?
You
Okay.
can view that online on our website, or if you have a YouTube account you want to pop on YouTube,
Yeah.
it's also available there.
All right. Very good. So the website is bodyflexsports.com. You can email them at info@bodyflexsports.com. The phone number I got to read over here, 1-888-266-6789. I like the fact that you folks are located here,
Right here
in Southern California, and 35 years.
Yeah.
Wow. That's a good track record. It really is. So great to have you folks on.
Thank you so much,
Yeah,
Ken.
Yvonne,
Yeah.
Nico, thank you
you.
very much. Good to
Yeah.
meet you both.
Pleasure.
And we'll be right back. Yeah, it's really, I can feel it.